दिवचलच्या शांतादुर्गा हायर सेकंडरीत शिकपी 2 विद्यार्थ्यांनी चक्क बॅटरीचेर चलपी इलेक्ट्रीक कार तयार केल्या. विज्ञान फाट्याच्या 12वी इयत्तेत शिकपी मोहम्मद शान शेख आणि मोहम्मद सेहाब बेग या दोग विद्यार्थ्यांनी फिजिक्स विशयाच्या प्रकल्पाखाला ही किमया केली. गॅरेजींतल्यान स्क्रॅप पार्ट्स एकठांय करून आणि सुमार 2 म्हयने यत्न करून ही कार तयार केलेली आसा. बॅटरी एकदा चार्ज केली की ही कार 100 किलोमीटर मायलेज दिता.
सृजनशीलताय वापरून असाइनमेंट करतकच कॉलेजींत विद्यार्थ्यांक 20 गुण मेळटात. ते मेळोवपाच्या यत्नान 2 विद्यार्थ्यांनी एक सोबीत इलेक्ट्रीक गाडीच तयार केली. हो चमत्कार दिवचलच्या शांतादुर्गा उच्च माध्यमिक शाळेच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी केलो.
The reason behind making electric vehicle is that nowadays there's a lot of craze of electric vehicles and like not much people can afford it. So we were discussing about our physics project. So he said like we'll make an engine. So I was like, why just make an engine? We'll make a whole new car. So then we started researching about the car, electric cars and stuff. Then we got to know that we can make it a DC motor car and it can be affordable and more efficient. So then we got to work, we found parts, we customized fast and like we brought all together and there were a lot of people who helped us, like the people from our this ward and mostly our teachers, our parents, even school staff, they have helped us a lot. And yeah, it's a eco-friendly car and we are contributing something to the nature and we feel proud of it.
सध्या तयार केल्ले गाडयेचे मॉडेल प्राथमीक स्वरूपांत आसा आणि फुडले गाडयेची श्रेणी तयार करपा खातीर संशोधन चालू आशिल्ल्याचे मोहम्मद सेहाब बेग हांणी सांगले.
The main point of cost effectiveness is we use lead acid batteries, whereas lithium batteries could be a nice or greater alternative, but the price of lithium acid battery is too high, which we can't afford, and lead acid batteries just provide the sufficient or more than sufficient power to run the car. So our future plan is to modify that car and making it more efficient and more reliable. So we have thought of a mechanism which makes the car to auto charge, and so furtherly no need to charge the vehicle again and again, which makes it most efficient vehicle.
गोंयभरच्यान ह्या भुरग्यांच्या यत्नांची तोखणाय जाता. मजगती बेरेस्तारा एका ल्हानशा सुवाळ्यान शांतादुर्गा हायर सेकंडरीच्या व्यवस्थापन मंडळान दोनूय विद्यार्थ्यांचो भोवमान केलो.
Honor and glory to this institution. They have made all of us proud. They have designed eco-friendly, affordable electric car. In today's world, education should be innovative, creative and practical. Both these students have displayed their creativity and innovative skills. They are inspiration to all of us. All of us should be creative and innovative to achieve success.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर दिवचलच्यान रिपोर्टर तुकाराम सावंत.